Hello everyone. So today we're going to divide x to the power of 2 minus 4 all over x to the power of 2 plus x by x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 4 all over x plus 1. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation x to the power of 2 minus 4 all over x to the power of 2 is to be divided by x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 4, and this is over x plus 1. This can be written as x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4. All over here, what is common is x. X to the power of 2 divided by x, that will be x, plus x divided by x, what is left is 1. Divided by, this very one is a quadratic equation, and the factors can be minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2, that will be minus 4, and minus 2 times minus 2, that will be plus 4. So the factor therefore becomes x minus 2 and x minus 2 for this very one, all over x plus 1. Thank you for staying tuned. I would like to invite you to click on our subscription button to subscribe to our channel. Click on the like button also so that more persons can have access to this video. Alright, thank you. So in the next line, we're going to flip the denominator for the numerator and the numerator for the denominator. And if we agree on that, so this operation will be changed to multiplication. That is x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 all over x into x plus 1 times x plus 1 x minus 2 and x minus 2. And from algebra, this also can be represented as x minus 2 times x plus 2 all over x into x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 all over x minus 2 times x minus 2. So from here, x plus 1 can cancel out from the denominator and the numerator, and again x minus 2 can cancel out s minus 2. So what is left in the numerator is s plus 2, that is x plus 2 all over x times x minus 2. And this is our answer. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please click on the subscription button before you go. See you in our next video. Bye bye.